A typical Nigerian party experience gets you thinking about the music, guests, food, most importantly food. Yes, I am talking about the Nigerian jollof rice. This is a verifiable reason why people go to parties actually. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Edible Feasting here. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make my delicious Nigerian jollof rice with the smoky effects. Before we get to the preparation stage, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so that we can grow. Also, turn on notification button for first-hand notifications when I post new content. Thank you. I will be making use of a lot of orishirishi for my Nigerian jollof rice. I'm the type that likes my jollof with a lot of orishirishi. As I'm picking it up and eating it, there's orishirishi there. So I'll be making use of ingredients like liver, which I have here. I'll be making use of big prawns, which I also have here. I'll be making use of shrimps. I'll be making use of tomato paste. I'll be making use of vegetable. Here's my carrots, green pepper, green pea. I'll be making use of sausages, which I also have here. Then I have my fresh peppers, tomatoes, habanero, scotch bonnet. I'll be making use of onions as well. Also, I'll be making use of rice. The type of grain you pick depends on the grain you're comfortable with cooking with. I pick long grain because I'm comfortable with cooking with long grain. So let's cook. Before stir frying my ingredients, I make sure to marinate with seasoning, salt, and a little dry pepper for flavor. So you can add that as well. Please help our channel grow by subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Also turn on your notification button to get first-hand notifications as we post contents. Okay guys, this is an important part of the preparation. I am adding in the foil paper to achieve the smoky feel that comes with the firewood Nigerian jollof rice, so it feels like the party taste and it feels like it was prepared on firewood. And our Nigerian jollof rice is ready. Kindly get in the comment section and tell us other things you would like to add to your Nigerian jollof rice to make it as yummy as ours looks. Thank you.